Hi there. Today, got the money origami fortune cookie. Pretty cool. You put your fortune inside. Stays shut really nice. And there's your fortune. You can put whatever you want in there, just about. So, what do you think about that? You want to see how to fold it? All right, we're back with another money origami original fortune cookie. A lot of the folds are from the last few designs I made. I'll put them up here as the video goes on. We've got the diamond box, diamond crystal box. We've got the diamond ring box, holds a ring. And, well, there's more to that I can make actually. Didn't do them yet. So you start off by folding the exact same way as we do on those models featured up there. So you fold the bill in half, unfold, then you take the corner and fold it to the center crease, like that. Make a nice sharp point over here, crease that down, fold along this raw edge, bringing this crease up to here, crease that down. Now fold on this raw edge, bringing this crease over to this edge. Nice sharp point here. Crease that down. And fold this little edge over here. Crease that down. Now open the whole thing back up and do this fold with the other corner. So you go like this and make a nice sharp point there. Crease that down. Fold on this raw edge, bringing this crease to here, to the side. Fold along this crease, raw edge. And just get real precision folds on the whole model. And fold this edge over there. Now open it all the way back up. Now there's a intersection point right here and an intersection point right here. So we're going to fold this border over the whole width of the green border. So we're going to fold right on that little white line. There's a little green stripe and a white line, so just fold it over, just over to this crease. Alright, do the same on the other side. There's the same little white line there. Alright, now on the top, now you can close it with either one on top really. So you bring these in, there's a diamond right there, so you bring these in on the existing creases, and then you have this little part sticking up. Flatten it down, nice and even. Make this go straight across. Alright, now turn it around. And on the other side, bring those 2 points together with the rabbit ear on the inside and flatten it down. Now make sure that center crease stays on the center line. So what you do is you curve the paper up a little bit so that that crease is amplified. And then you keep these 2 points even, and you just crush that down. So now we've got this on the inside over here. See right there, it's the same thing. Now, you open it up, and on the same side, the edge goes under, and the crease goes under. And then on this side, the crease goes over. And it goes over. So these are over the top, and these are underneath. And you just find the center diamond, and you pinch a little right on George's nose there. And then you see these angles right here, you bring that up. You bring the pinch in from George's nose, and you fold this down right here. And then you pull these back. Now these 2 points, one goes on each side of this little diamond flattened rabbit ear. Slides in like that, see? And then this goes right there. And at the same time, this goes right there. And pinch those down a little. And don't forget to put your fortune in there. I mean, that is a major important thing in a fortune cookie. So you can put it in there before you close it. All right. There is my money origami fortune cookie. You enjoy that one? It's pretty cool. I don't see anybody having one like that. Enjoy the model and have a great day.